Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to learn how to open cursor AI from the terminal. So first of all, I'm going to open the terminal and type cursor. Alright, so this shows that we are not able to open it from the terminal. So we need to create a function that does this for us. So we have to manually open the configuration file and create a function that does this. Let's edit the configuration file by typing the command. Now that the configuration file is open, let's create a function. The name of the function is going to be cursor. Okay, now that we are done, we can save this by holding down the Ctrl S button and then Y. Then hit enter to save. Now to ensure that the function was saved, you can open the configuration file again. Alright, so this shows that the function has been saved in our configuration file, and we can also open the cursor using the function. So let's close the configuration file and open the cursor again from the terminal. So now we can open the cursor from the terminal. Hit the thumbs button, like and subscribe.